So I want to do another unboxing with you today, and this one is super exciting for me because it is my first Voxbox from Influencer. So I think it's a pretty big deal, and it's a good one too. So let's see what we got. Just for me. So we have, this is Pureology NanoWorks Gold Shampoo and Conditioner. Yay! So thank you Pureology and thank you Influencer. So this is shampoo and conditioner. Yeah, shampoo and conditioner. So I actually don't know too much about this brand. I just know that it is a really good hair care brand. So they do have a pretty good reputation. So I'm just gonna read the card a little bit. The key ingredients is Pureology, which strengthens hair, golden marula oil, which supports scalp and hair, scalp health, keeps hair moisturized and soft. This is 100% vegan. It has 0 sulfates in it, and it has an anti-fade complex. So I am going to take off this plastic here so I can smell it. So I do believe this one is also, this is for color treated hair, which I don't have. But I am always looking for products that will help strengthen my hair. So I'm sure I will see some benefits in that regards. So this is the shampoo. I just want to smell it real quick. It smells really good. Like a little bit fruity. Luxurious, rich lather shampoo, creamy and gentle. Yay, I'm really excited to try it. And then we have the conditioner as well. It smells really good. Something about it reminds me of like a pina colada. Well, again. So I'm really excited to see how this works on my hair, even though it's not color treated. And I'm gonna start using this in my hair care routine tonight. And then I will be giving my reviews. And yeah, thank you so much Pureology, and thank you so much Influencer. Hope there's more Voxboxes to come.